Welcome to today's video. We will be talking about link depth in a website, what it means, why it matters for SEO, and how you can optimize it for better crawling and user experience. Link depth refers to the number of clicks it takes to reach a web page from the home page. The deeper the page, the more links you have to click to find it. For example, if a blog article is directly linked from the home page, it has a link depth of 1. But if you need to go to home page, then blog page, then category page, then post page, then post has a link depth of 3. Google crawlers give higher priority to pages closer to the home page. Pages with very deep link depth may be harder to crawl, less indexed, and weaker in ranking. For users, shallow link depth improves navigation. If important pages are buried deep, visitors may never reach them, increasing bounce rates. Best practice is to keep important pages within 3 clicks from the home page. This ensures both users and crawlers can easily reach them. How to reduce link depth? Use internal links from high authority pages. Add related links in blog posts. Optimize menus and categories. Use sitemaps for crawler guidance. Avoid keeping important content hidden under 5 or more clicks. Don't rely on XML sitemap to rescue deep pages. Link structure matter more. Link depth is number of clicks from your home page to a page. Shallow link depth is equal to stronger SEO and better UX. Keep key pages within 3 clicks for maximum visibility. Thanks for watching. Audit your site's link depth today and make sure your important pages are easy to reach. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more SEO insights.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.